Hey my lovely viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is Rakshabandhan special video. Today we are going to make some crazy muffins. One recipe and loads of different flavors. So it means there is going to be one batter out of which we are going to make different flavored muffins. And the best part is these are eggless. So you can bake these muffin variety for your brother this Rakshabandhan and make him feel special. So let's get started. First of all, preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius and in a big bowl add your yogurt or curd and mix it a bit with a wire whisk. Once this is smooth, I'm going to add into this the sugar. And I'm going to beat this again. Now once the sugar is properly dissolved with the curd, I'm going to add into this the baking powder and the baking soda, and I'm going to beat this well so that everything is mixed properly. Now keep this mixture for 5 minutes and we'll come back after 5 minutes. Now after 5 minutes, just give it a good mix again, and into this I'm going to add vegetable oil and vanilla extract. Just mix it again. Now into this I'm going to fold in the flour. Just mix this gently. Now one thing I love about this recipe is that everything is mixed by hand. You don't need any electric mixer or stand mixer for this recipe. Now that I have my muffin batter mixed, this is actually the base. Now you can add anything. So first muffin I'm going to show you is vanilla choco chip muffin. Into a small bowl, add a generous scoop of your muffin batter. And then into this add some choco chips. Just mix these together. And you are done. So easy it is to customize your own flavor. The next flavor we are going to make is lemon muffin. Just like before, add in your big scoop of muffin batter. Into this I'm going to add some lemon juice. And then next I'm going to add the zest of a lemon. I'm going to grate the yellow part of the lemon peel. This smells really great. Now with a spoon mix it properly. So here you go, lemon muffin for you. So now I'm going to set this aside, and next flavor we are going to make is one of my favorite. It's carrot cake muffin. So into your bowl add in your muffin base, and then I'm going to add some grated carrot, some cinnamon. Just mix all these together. You can also add some raisins into this. Simply mix all these ingredients together. So here you go, another easy recipe. So next we are going to move on to another recipe which is also one of my favorite, and that is banana and walnut muffin. Now mash some banana in a bowl. I use fork for mashing. On top of it, I'm going to add some toasted walnuts. And then I'm going to add some of my muffin batter. Just stir these together. And you are good to go. So now to our next flavor muffin, which is apple and cinnamon. Into your bowl, add some muffin batter. Then into this, I'm going to add some grated apple. And then I'm going to add some ground cinnamon into this. Apple and cinnamon go so well together. Now one thing I want to add here is you can also substitute whole wheat flour here for a healthier twist. That will be a healthier option if you add whole wheat flour instead of all-purpose flour. So this is our apple cinnamon muffin batter. So let's move on to another flavor now. We are going to make the best one. This is the double chocolate muffin. So into your bowl goes your muffin base, and then into this we are going to add some rich cocoa powder. I'm using unsweetened cocoa powder here. And then we are going to add some choco chips. This is what makes this double chocolate muffin. Now stir this until the cocoa powder is fully combined. So there you go. We have all our flavors ready. Now is the time to get it into the muffin lines. Take your muffin tray and fill your liners. Now what I like about the crazy muffins is that you can customize to any flavor that you like. Once you have filled the muffin liners, tap your tray and bake this in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 25 to 30 minutes or until they are golden brown. Just check this out, guys. These looks amazing. One muffin recipe and 6 different flavors. So now cool them properly and you can pack these for your brother to gift this Rakshabandhan. A twist from a regular Indian mithai and moreover baked with lots of love. A perfect gift for Rakshabandhan. This really is going to make your brother feel special. So start making these multiple variety of eggless muffins with only one batter. Enjoy your Rakshabandhan with your brother and may this holy knot make your bond all the more stronger. So until next time, this is Dipali from dipaliori.com.